In this lesson, we will learn how to join a computer to Microsoft Entra ID. First, we will learn about the requirements to join a computer to Entra ID. Then we will join a computer to Entra ID. After that, we will verify the Entra ID joined computer. Finally, we will conclude our lesson with the review questions. As you can see, to join this computer to Entra ID, the organization must have an active Microsoft Entra ID tenant, and the Windows edition running on this computer must be Windows 10 or 11 Professional or Enterprise or Education. Home editions are not supported. Also, this computer must have internet access for authentication and registration, and we have to have an Entra ID credential, and the credential must have the permission to join this computer to the Entra ID tenant. Let's verify the Windows edition running on this computer. To do that, we type in sys in the search box and click on System Information. As you can see, this computer running Microsoft Windows 10 Professional, and here is the build version, and here is the computer name. Next, we need to verify which accounts are allowed to join devices to Entra ID. To do that, we need to click on Microsoft Entra ID, then click on Devices, then click on Device Settings. As you can see, all users are allowed to join devices to Microsoft Entra. Let's join this Windows 10 Professional computer to Microsoft Entra. To do that, we need to find the Manage Your Account. In this case, it shows up in the Recent menu. If you don't see it, you can click on Settings, then click on Account. Let's click on Manage Your Account now. Then click on Access, Work or School. Here we need to click on Connect. Then we click on this link to join this device to Microsoft Entra ID. Then we type in the email address. In this case, it is ryan.brown@itlifeskills.com. Then click Next. Here we type in the account's password. And after that, we will click on the Sign In button. This message is to inform us that this computer is joining to itlifeskills.com Entra ID tenant using the credential ryan.brown@itlifeskills.com, and after joining, Ryan Brown will become the administrator of the computer. Everything looks correct, so click on the Join button. As you can see, we are all set, so we just need to click on the Done button. Now it shows that this computer is connected to IT Life Skills Entra ID by using the account ryan.brown@itlifeskills.com. Everything's look good. To verify, let's click on Microsoft Entra ID, then click on Devices and click on All Devices and click on the computer name. As you can see, it shows us with the computer name, the device ID, the object ID, and the current status is Enable, and the OS information and the owner information. Everything looks good. If the computer is local, Ryan can log in to the computer now. However, it is a remote computer, so I have to add the account for Ryan to the remote desktop users group. To do that, I have to open command prompt as the administrator and type in this command, then hit enter. As you can see, the command completed successfully, which means the Entra ID account of brian.brown@itlifeskills.com has been added to the remote desktop users group on this local computer successfully. Let's verify that by open Computer Management, then click on Local Users and Groups and click on Groups and open the Remote Desktop Users group. As you can see, the account for Ryan Brown in Entra ID has been added to the Remote Desktop Users group on this computer. Let's remote to this computer by using Ryan Brown account. To do that, we click on Other Users, then type in the email address ryan.brown@itlifeskills.com, then type in the passwords for the account of Ryan Brown, then hit enter. As you can see, we are signing in successfully. Let's open command prompt and type in who am I, then hit enter. As you can see, it logged in with the account Ryan Brown in Entra ID. Let's conclude our lesson with the review questions.